Next is dumilim. Hey guys, what's up? For today's video guys, mag-unbox tayo ng Koby motorcycle care. Alright, so ito yung box guys. Okay. Laki niya. Ang laman nito guys is all about Koby motorcycle care. So guys, hindi pa natin alam kung ano-ano ang laman nito. Tara, unbox na natin. Nasira pa. Ang gunting. So before tayo mag-continue guys, salamat Koby Motorcycle Care Philippines for this. Number 1. Oh, ha? So guys, ito na, na-open na natin. Ito yung laman. Alright. Din yun, no? Ulit. Una. Oh, wow. Koby t-shirt. Dry fit ata to. Tingnan natin. What? What? Nice. Wow. T-shirt ng Koby featuring our very own McKinley Kyle Pass. May signature ni Kyle Pass. Alright. And also ni Masato Fernando. May signature din. Wow. Thank you, Koby. Yes. So guys, hindi natin ito gagamitin. I-display natin to. Kasi nga, may firma ni Kyle Pass and ni Masato Fernando. Alright. Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Dalawang bag. So, mayroon pa siyang dalawang bag, guys. Okay, so, unahin natin yung isang mabigat. Mabigat na agad. Alright, so, ano to? Shoo. Spray. Alright, so unahin natin. Ito. Koby rubberized undercoat. Alright. Koby rubberized undercoat. Diyan ka muna. Next natin is Koby pitch cleaner. Alright, so Koby pitch cleaner. Then ito Koby Deras lubricant spray. Alright, Koby Deras lubricant spray. Next natin is Koby super oil cleaner. Para saan to? Super oil cleaner. Technology removes oil more quickly. Okay. Next. Yes, of course. Pinaka number 1 product ng Koby. Koby helmet disinfecting foam. Alright. Next is Koby multi-purpose foam cleaner. Yan. Koby multi-purpose foam cleaner. Up. Next is Koby auto tire sealant. Alright, so ito, nilalagay ito sa gulong para hindi maplat agad pag nabutas. Next is Koby spray paint. Wow! May ganito pala si Koby. Guys, Koby spray paint. Parang Pilox. Diba? Yes. Next. Alright. Koby carburetor cleaner. Next is Koby carburetor cleaner. Alright. Next guys is Koby sticker remover. Okay ito sa mga nagtatanggal ng sticker dyan sa motor nila. Next is okay ito Koby tire sealer and inflator. Alright, wow. Okay sakit na ng kaliwa ko. So wala na naman isa na bag. Dito naman tayo sa susunod na bag. What? Ang dami. Alright. Wow. This is wow. So next guys is itong Koby chain lube cleaner. Wow. Bakit tatlo? Okay. So, tatlo siya kasi merong pang off-road na chain cleaner, merong pang road, alright? Then, merong pang racing. Wow! So, yun, guys. Koby chain lube. Again, pang off-road, pang road, and pang racing. Next natin guys is Koby gear oil. Alright. Gear oil. Next guys is Koby wash and wax. Alright. I think shampoo. Alright. Shampoo. Panlinis, pampaligo ng ating motor or ng sasakyan. Okay. Another chain lube. Koby chain lube. Lube. Alright. Next Koby super coolant. Alright. Koby super coolant. Alright. Kulay blue. So next natin guys is itong Koby coating wax. Alright, so pampakintab. Alright. Next is, Koby metal polish. Alright, sa mga pampakintab ng mga metal. Metal polish. Alright, next is, high temp grease. Ito pala. Koby high temp grease. Alright. Okay guys, next natin is Koby original protectant. Okay. Down to 3 items. Next is Koby liquid soap. So, maghuhugas tayo pag ginamit na natin itong lahat ng Koby product. Alright. So, maghuhugas tayo. Koby liquid soap. Last 2 items is Koby tire black. Alright. And last is ito. Isa sa pinakagusto kong produkto ng Koby protectant spray. Alright. Kung medyo luma na yung motor mo, spray mo lang na ito. Magiging bago na. Alright. Koby protectant spray. Alright. So ito lahat yun guys na laman ng box. Group picture silang lahat. Yan. Group picture. Ayan. So guys, ito lahat yung laman ng box from Koby Motor Care Philippines. So, thank you again. And also pala, ito guys, yung may pirma ni Masato Fernando and ni Kyle Pass. Alright? So, yun naman lahat guys.